Anyways, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be making a sock puppet. This is my video. Okay, sorry about that sock puppet. She is very talkative. And we're going to show you how to make one of these, and let's get into it.
Yeah. So these are what we need. A sock, of course, because it's a sock puppet. Some, I don't know, something fluffy for the hair. Felt paper for the tongue. You can cover the whole mouth, but I'm just going to make a tongue for now. 2 pom-poms for the eyes, or 3, or 1 if you want. You can have as many eyes as you want. Some googly eyes. I picked green googly eyes. A pencil. And scissors. Careful. And cardboard.
Okay, so what you need to do is cut along the seams of your puppet. So you're gonna get the puppet and the top part where your toes would usually go. You're gonna cut along like this. So I'm too scared to cut it myself. So helper, please. So now your sock has a hole. Oh my gosh. Okay. So after you've cut your mouth of the sock puppet, you're going to get a cardboard, and you're going to get a hand like this and then place it on a cardboard and trace out your hand. But don't trace it like an actual hand, like make an oval around the hand. Okay, there we go. And now, where's my scissors? Thank you. Okay, now you're gonna cut around this. And don't cut it right on the place you traced it on, because you want it to be a little bit big, just in case, you know, something goes wrong and you made it too small for your puppet. So now you're gonna cut around it. Yeah. I'm probably gonna speed this. Okay, there we go. So now you have this little part. You're gonna get your hand and you're gonna, not like that. Okay, you're gonna get your hand and you're gonna fold it in the middle. I said in the middle. There we go. So now you can make your thing talk. Also, shout out to the Fizzy Show, because we used their video to get an idea on how to make ours. Okay, now there comes the dangerous part. Dun, dun, dun. Hot glue. So we need hot glue. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Don't touch it. I just put it on the plug. That's why I could touch it. I'm making sure it's hot enough. So let's just wait until it's hot enough. So, how's your day? Also, I have bunny ears if you haven't noticed. And the puppet you saw last time, her name is Jessica. Yeah, her name is Jessica. What was his name? What was her name? It's Jessica. Your name? Okay. I'm changing it.
Jeremy.
Oh, was it Jeremy? But this is a girl.
Okay. Jessica.
Jessica. Why are you looking like that? Hey, I think it's... Yep, it's hot enough. Okay. So now you're going to get this and then slide it underneath. Okay, there we go, like that. Okay, you're gonna get your hot glue gun, glue it a little bit, and you're gonna glue it on Now you're gonna get a felt paper like this. I don't have like big felt papers, so I couldn't fill the whole mouth. But if you have like big felt papers, go ahead and make the whole mouth red or make the whole mouth pink or orange. Last, for that puppet, I gave it a red tongue. I'm gonna give this one an orange tongue just to spice things up. Let's cut that tongue together. Cut. Okay, so now we got an orange tongue. I think it fits perfectly. It's gonna show a little bit, but that's okay. That can be how that one is. Maybe I can close it. Maybe I can. I'm gonna cut a little bit, just a tiny bit. What's your favorite? What do you think we should name this one? Dad.
Jeremy.
Jeremy. So this one's gonna be Jeremy. Okay. So get your glue again, and then let's glue. Okay, that's enough glue. And this. Now, Jeremy's tongue is done. I'm going to get the excess glue piece. Wow. Glue is very stringy. Well, hot glue is very stringy. Now you have the tongue of your puppet, but in this case, Jeremy. So now go on ahead and put your hand through your first ever puppet. If it is your first ever puppet. Okay, there we go. And now, I have made Jeremy! Okay, so now you're gonna plan out where do you want to put the eyes. You wanna put it here? You wanna put it here? You wanna put it all the way over here? Or you wanna put it right here? I am thinking I'm going to use blue and black. So I'm just going to put one eye here and one eye here. So that sounds like the plan. So I'm going to take this out. Actually, I might want to put some. Or maybe my helper can put it on his hand. You want to put it on your hand, helper? Thank you very much, helper. Helper, 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 helper. Okie dokie. So I'm gonna put glue on the tongue, on the eye. That's right over here. And I'm gonna get another glue and put it on this one. And put it right over here. Now you have your eyes! Jeremy has his eyes. Now you're gonna get googly eyes, so it can Google look everywhere. And I'm gonna put these. So if you have like sticky googly eyes, you don't need to use glue for this part, but I don't. Okay. There we go. And then over here. Ooh. Can you talk? Jeremy is alive. I have done a lot of crafts with hot glue and I've burned myself countless times, so it's barely that hot now. Wow. Okay, so now that we've got it like this, now we need to make its hair. So I was thinking to make spiky hair, like pew, 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 pew. So like cut right about. So I'm gonna make spiky hair. So you like just fold it like fold it 2 and then fold it 3 and then fold it 4 and then fold it 5. You can make it as many as you want. You can make it up to. You can make the whole thing. I'm just gonna use 3 for now, so it can look like this. That's good. So I'm gonna cut over here. Now we made the hair of Jeremy. Jeremy's looking fancy. Fancy Jeremy. You can still style your puppet. You can give it glasses, you can give it a bow, whatever you want. So I'm just gonna put it there. So here's Jeremy. Wow. Oh geez, I can't wait to meet my new friend.
Hi.
Hello.
Who is this?
My name is Jessica.
Jessica.
Yeah.
How are you, Jessica?
I am. Wait a second. Is it just me? Or is your eyes red now?
Yeah, I'm Jeremy. I became evil. I have red eyes.
Why did they change to red?
I don't know. Before it was green. But I kind of like these new eyes.
So you're evil?
Yeah. I am evil. Ah!